Hello YouTube, glad to see you all on my new channel. Subscribe and write a comment, I will be happy. Today I have this beautiful muscle car on review. Guys, this is Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport 2017 year. Look at this. Today, in the heyday of electric cars, such cars are becoming more valuable. Real V8 engines. In addition to the powerful design, the coloring of this car catches in eye. Deep blood cherry color with white strings on the body. Guys, check out the width of the wheels. They are scary. They are huge. God damn. This car is an ageless American classic with a huge engine. The dream of any kid. It would be a crime not to listen to the sound of this monster. Big guy. A few words about interior of this car. Despite its age, it's very comfortable and spacious interior, like your grandma's house. Guys, I think we need a couple of minutes to quiet driving around the city to stretch the muscles of this beast. Let's go. Little piece of shit. Whoa. There are 5 gears in the gearbox of this car. Oh my god, it's snowy. And we own summer wheels, summer tires. I think it will be dangerous riding with so powerful engine. Oh, it's heavy. I feel how the body of this car heavy metal body, heavy metal car. I feel hot from the engine of this car. It's really hot and powerful. Guys, it's powerful. I think we can start real shit. I think it's time to hooligan around the city. Mother of God. So powerful. What about brakes? Oh my, it's very bad. Maybe because it's winter. Cool tires. very good car for donuts because it's American. I guess Americans like donuts. Sun is shining and playing on the body of his car. It's very beautiful, but it's dirty. Dirty beach. Oh shit! Beach. Ah, stop! Oof. Good parking. This car have so little maximum speed, and I don't know reasonable or not to go to the highway, because I think that city driving is perfect for this car. I don't know why I wanna drift on this car. This is not drift car, but easy peasy on this car. Fuck you, Mercedes. Oh my. Chevrolet. Don't forget, you're not Nissan Silvia. You're just American muscle car. What do you do? What are you doing, man? What are you doing? You crazy car. You crazy car. Stop! No, no. I'm American Johnny. I'm American Billy. I'm American. I am American, guys. I'm fucking American, and I love muscle cars. I love V8 engines, and I love cheeseburgers and cherry cola. Yeah, with cherry color Chevrolet. Oh, dirty American muscle. I am happy. Okay, thank you for your watching, and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. Be happy.